Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment and what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be tackling this. I want to see if I can get this moved. This is going to be the hard task because there's all brambles and everything in there. And once I've sorted that, then I want to start seeing if I can get some of this dug out. I'm going to try and do as much as I can before it starts raining. Really I wanted to start getting digging, but this is in the way, so I've got to get rid of it. So that's going to be one of my tasks for this morning. So I'm going to try and get on with this. I don't know where I'm going to move the brambles to, because if I was to say now chop this up to go in my compost pile, it's going to take ages to chop all this up. So I'm going to try and drag some up. There's a bit up there where they said to put them, so I'm going to see if I can get them up, some of them up there, and then maybe the rest I might have to put on top of the smaller stuff, put on top of my compost pile for now. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this morning. So I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend about this channel. We're getting a few subscribers, but we're not getting enough. We're getting more people watching and not subscribing. Please subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell so you can get noticed when we drop more videos. So I'm going to get on with this task, and as I go along I'll show you the progress what we make. Right everybody, so I've got that bit of brambles and stuff cleared and I've started digging. That's how much I've done so far. As you can see, there's some nasty roots underneath there. Don't know if it's coming from the tree, but I'm getting there. Some things I have to leave until when I've got more time to dig down and get them out, because I'm just trying to get this all dug up so that I can start putting stuff in. What I'm going to be putting up here is my pumpkins and my like stuff like courgettes and all that what take up leaf space and that. So that's what I'm going to be putting up here. I can let my pumpkins just do what they're like up here once they're ready. I don't know if I'm going to need to cover them or anything, or even something else. What I was thinking, like how this ground is here, if it wasn't for this tree here, maybe what I could have done is put another small polytunnel along here on top of here as well. If you could get it flat, then I would have more than enough. But I'm just gonna do what I'm doing for now. Get digging. It's not easy when you got a bad back, but it's got to be done. I haven't got no one else to do it. My cameraman is just helping me take up these weeds and that on the roots of stuff, what's digging. But so far it's not hard to dig, it's just roots what you come across, what's long and running across. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to be back with you in a minute. I've got it more or less to where I want it. It's falling over there. I'm just going to round it off a bit when I'm ready. I'm just leaving it like that for now. Got a bit here. Just trying to get out all the roots of things. You can see got all these horrible things in there, but I'll get them out eventually. If I wanted to, I could come right down across here and come across here and go back up, but I want to leave it round so when I come I can get my car and everything in, and without keep walking on the beds and everything, because I don't want to be parking in front of my neighbour's one. I want to be parking up this part, so that's why I left it to there. I'll have to see how it works. I'm going to leave it like this for now. And what I'll do next time, I'll level it off. I can't put no manure or anything on there for now because I think it's a bit too late in the season. If I had some well rotted one, I would have put a layer on there, but I'm going to leave it like that first. Then once I plant my things on there, then I'm going to put a level of mulch and all that so that can rot down throughout the year. And then once I start getting stuff, then I can just put the manure on top later down when it's near winter. I'll just dig it over and put a layer of manure, and then that would go through the winter. So that's that bed dug up. So I'm going to show you what else is going on here. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I'm in my polytunnel now, and as you can see, some of my things are starting to come. I'm just giving them a little bit of water. These are my pumpkins, what I'm watering now. Some of them, the top broke off. They need to go out now because they're starting to get pot bound. The ones under my cloches ain't coming through. These are my butter beans. They're starting to come through now. Just give them a little bit of water. Need to get a proper watering can for these. So give those a bit of water. These are, I can't remember what these are, if they're courgettes or bush marrows, but they need to go out. These need to go out as well, which I'll be doing next week now that I've got that bit, top bit dug up. My corn, you can see that's doing quite well. I've got some new pumpkins down there on this tray. Got aubergine, marrow, sugar cane. I've got some melon plant there, tomatoes, and I brought 2 of my sweet potatoes down to see if they'll be all right down here for now, because just put a little bit of water on these. These dry out pretty quick, these marrows and stuff. Those down here, this is a big boy tomato, aubergine. These are Jamaican pumpkin. These need to all go out there, outgrowing themselves now. They're getting pot bound. Just give them a little bit of water. These was my petit pans, but you can see the same thing as well. Everything, I'm just losing plants left, right and centre. This is my elephant ears. Just give that a little bit of water. Don't know if that's it coming. No, that's not it coming through. I thought that was it coming through. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. I got some plants down. I've got all my tomatoes at home, which is loads. Those are bags of compost for when I bring my pots and that down, which I'm going to be doing pretty soon. Right, so that's the polytunnel. In the greenhouse now, I've got these, my carrots and that, what I need to get out. I need to put some water in this. I need to get these planted now, which I'm going to be doing next time. My turnips. These were the okras, but nothing's happening with those. These are Jamaica Globe pumpkin. That's the big ones. So those have sprung back up since they've been in here. Got some okra yams in there, nothing's happening. This was the yacons, what probably said that they got a bad frostbite. I picked off all the leaves and just left them. Was going to order some more, but I see these have sprung back not very nicely and got nice leaves, so I'm going to leave them in there till it gets hot outside. And these are my purple sprouting broccoli. They should have gone out already as well with the others, but I haven't got them. These was my blowhide beans, only one sprouted there. These was corn, but nothing's happening. And this was a spinach, which needs to go out as well, but I'm going to pick this one out the middle to stop it from bolting. It's pretty hard in the middle. These should have been planted out already, but because we've got other things doing as well. Come back down now. I'm going to be a day of planting all these. Got to go get these into the ground. So that's what's going on for now. It's hot in there, so just coming out. These are my onions, and my potatoes have come through now. You can see they're coming along nicely. The potatoes over in the other box. These are my chard and spinach, my cauliflower, my broccoli, and my mixed cabbages in there. As you can see, they're coming along really nicely now, developing leaves. So if you like what you're seeing, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comment sections. We will get back to you on them. Press the notification bell for future videos and to keep up with what's going on in the channel and what we're going on with. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and a happy gardening to you all, and thanks for watching.